How to create Amazon affiliate links to place on your website. Amazon offers an affiliate program where you can sign up, anybody can sign up, and you can link to any of the products sold through Amazon and earn a commission. The commission rate is going to be different, but we're not going to go into that right now. One of the great things about Amazon affiliate program is that, first of all, they have a huge catalog of products, so you can find pretty much anything that you can sell or link to through their catalog. And also, if somebody's using the link to go purchase a product, and while they're doing that, they add a couple of other items to their cart, you're going to earn commission on all of the items that have been added to the customer's cart at checkout. So even if you try to sell maybe some little fitness prop for $20, but at the same time they decided to get like their supplements and maybe diapers for their kids or something like that, even at a low commission rate, you might be getting a little extra income for your business. So let's see how to generate this. I'm already logged into my affiliate program associates account. So once you're logged in, your account has to be approved. There are a couple of ways to do that. So once logged in, you can search for any product right from this quick link search. So we can do magic circle for Pilates. It's going to show you some options, and we can choose any of this and get link from here. Let's say we want to go this one, click, we can get this link. This link doesn't look very pretty, it's really long, so we can get a short one as well. And this link is the one that's going to be placed on the website. You can grab the photo that you want of the product. The only thing that, according to Amazon rules, you can't display the price on your website, because first of all, the sellers can change those prices pretty often, and you need to make sure that people know that they're going to Amazon. So it's best to place like check out this product on Amazon, or link the name of the product to the Amazon page using the link over here. Another way to get the links that I prefer is using the site strip, because it makes it much easier to see what exactly to link to the particular product that you're interested in. In the tools, click on the site stripe. Okay, once you're here, it tells you what it is. Click on the Learn More, and want to make sure that the display status is set to Enabled. Now let's head to the actual Amazon.com page. Once you're on Amazon, make sure that you're logged in with the same account that you're signed up for your Amazon affiliate program. If you have several different accounts, then this will not work. Make sure that you're logged into Amazon. Sign out of your personal account if you have one. Log in with the one that is linked to your affiliate program. Now let's search for the same product. We're going to go for the Pilates Magic Circle. All right, here are a bunch of different options. We're going to click on one. Let's say this one. Here's the description, all that stuff. Now at the very top, we can see this gray bar, Amazon Associate Site Stripe. First of all, you can share a product directly on Amazon Twitter. And we can add the link, get the link. So let's click on the text. Here generates us the link. We can get this one. We can get an image. It doesn't give us a preview over here for some reason, but it's going to give us a short, an image of the product and a link to it, and text and image. Again, for some reason, the image on my end is not working, but it's going to give us again the image and the link to purchase the product on Amazon. My preferred way is just to get the text link. It looks cleaner and is displayed better on the website because you can customize the text and everything. So you're going to copy this text And once you go to your website, whether it's built in WordPress or Squarespace or whatever it is, you're gonna add text or use a button and use this link to link to a particular product that you want to promote on your site.